Last week, Greta ran 3 5/8 miles. This week, she plans to run 4 1/4 times as far as last week. How many miles does Greta plan to run this week? Well, Greta ran that much last week, and now she plans to run 4 1/4 times that. So we're going to do 4 1/4 times 3 5/8. Now, when multiplying two mixed numbers, what I really want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. So how do I turn 4 1/4 into an improper fraction? Multiply the 4 that lives out in front to the denominator of 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Take that 16 and add it to that 1. 16 plus your numerator of 1 becomes 17. Keep your old denominator of 4 there, and 4 1/4 becomes 17 over 4. Now, I'm going to do the same thing to this guy over here, 3 5/8. How do I turn 3 5/8 into an improper fraction? Multiply 3 and 8, which is 24. Add 24 to 5, which is 29, and you get 29 over 8. Now, when multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. I have no clue what 17's 29 is, so I'm just going to go off to the side and do that. 17 times 29. It's not pretty. 9 times 7 is 63, so write out your 3, carry the 6. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15, so write out your 15. Now that I'm done with the 6, I'll cross it out. Move over to the tens place. Don't forget your 0. 2 times 7 is 14, so write out your 4, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so you become 3. Add these guys together, and you get 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 3 is 4, 493. That's going to be over 32. Now, I need to turn that back into a mixed number. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to find out how many times 32 goes into 493. Not pretty at all. 32 goes into 49 once. 1 times 32 is 32. Subtract, and you get 49 minus 32. You're a 7. You're a 1. Now let's drop down the 3 and ask ourselves how many times 32 is going to go into 173. I'm going to go with 5 on this one. 5 times 32. 5 times 30 would be 150, so 5 times 32 is going to be 160. So we subtract 173 minus 116. 60 is going to be 3, 1, nothing. And with no more numbers to drop down, that remainder of 13 is our remainder. So how do I turn that into a mixed number? Well, it's not pretty, but 15 is going to be the whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 13 is going to be your new numerator, and your denominator is going to stay that 32. Now, this is a word problem, and it's asking how many miles does Greta plan to run. So she's going to run 15 and 13 32ths, 30 seconds miles. Ugh. I like 32ths. Reminds me of alligators, although I think they have more than 30 teeths. Like and subscribe.